Hello guys. So in this video I want to show you how to create a emoji in your chat. So let's start. How you open my project now using terminal. Yeah, that's okay. Click on that. I'm using Symfony here. Symfony for console server one. Okay, alright, wrong here. PHP console server one. So I have my HTTP response. So this is my project. This is my website using Symfony here. Okay. Oh, maybe that. Oh, good. Okay. Well, what I would like to show you is that how to create this stuff. Ooh, it's real work here. I want to show you how to create it. Firstly, you need to know that in your browser, you have some code that browser never will. You need to know that inside your browser, for example, if we type here as tag, wait a minute, I think, okay, then a number like that tag to see, well, you know that it is a code. I tap here, and this code represents a symbol. And every match here, we have a code also. In my project, I stock all the code out here. Let it show the code and put that in our online there you go. So without space. No, check the if we put here this code, I will get this image. So the first thing I need to do to make a table like that. So to make a table like that, the first thing you need to know is the code of each image. So I'm using now a line server. First thing, know the code for each image. Then create a table with the stock all the code. After that, create a function that show the image the user click on. So let's start. We want to create a variable here. We call that image code, the whole image code. Here we put index, no, okay, to e, no, so, and other thing, yeah, just that, we needed just that. So, fill the image code table. We image code table. We need to get all the image code. I have over here all the image codes. Have you just got that? Okay. And come here. Online code. Well, our code is here. I need to get the index of each code. So get the index of each code using loop for. Okay, for index equals 0, we're going to begin with 0 and next code image code line. So index plus plus. So if you are a developer, you understand what happened already. So but before that, if you go out here, I have a div. You're gonna get this div on our JavaScript. Get the div that as HTML div. So we call that div. Ooh. We're gonna put here a variable called div. Div will be equal to command. Carry selector div. Okay. Well, here set the inner HTML for our div. So div inner HTML that so after that get the code of our image. Well, what I need here is just to put here the code of the image. As tag pass the index of each code. Image code here index. Well, here for the moment, everything is okay. Let's check. Everything is okay. Yeah, we have here. Oh, this is undefined. Why? You can put here about 0, 1, 1. Okay, undefined is right. Okay, good. For now, everything is good. But we need that every time that I click on my image to show me the image that I click. That is why I need to use here a span. A span element. This is a JavaScript. On span, I will create a class called my image, and I will close my span here. So this is okay. Well, now I have to check get every index of this image class. Get the class for over each image. So the image class is my image. So we need here we create a variable called my image. Okay, then my image will be equal to command carrot selector selector all. What we would like to get is this class, is that class. So we go here to that. Okay. Now we want that every single time that I click on this image, get me the text of the image of this image. First thing we need to do is get the index class for each image using log for. So for equal e. I declare over here my e, my I. Whatever. 0 is called image length. We have a lot of image length. We have maybe a lot of image length. So then I need to call here image length. Oh, we have a lot of image index. So then that was okay. So what we need to know is to check if we will get the index. For that, we call that. We just put that. Say that something is wrong here. Error no stack. So this does show really what is the error. Oh my document card selector all zero. Okay, so in my opinion, I don't have any mistake, but I don't know why is this or that. But okay, unexpected token. Where is that? Where is my unexpected token here? The problem about this is that we don't really show the number of land the new type. The very unique type. Unexpected token. Stream literal. Well, maybe here I think. Yeah, maybe here. Okay, it's here. My mixtape. I figure out my mixtape here. Okay. Okay, everything's good here. So if I check here, I have the number of emotes. You know, the index. We have a lot of emotes. So the next thing is make a function. No, the first thing is get every emote index. No, my emoji index. No, it's equal. Yeah, and we're gonna make a function. Use add advanced listener. You can use a jQuery. This jQuery is so good, but I want to use a native code. And my function, what my function this will do? I will pass here an event argument, and so this event arg just get the element that we click on. Okay. Well, I will create here a variable called image clicker. We invent target class name. Just to get the class name for the moment. So I want here to allow the image click. Oh, my image. This is the class name, but I want to get just the image, not really the class name. For that, I click here. That's content. Ooh, this is the image I would like that. That's really cool. So that's all I would like to show you. It's a real sample. Real sample is not difficult. Just you needed to know that the code that you need to use and make sample JavaScript code to show the image. And wait, click here. I get that. Okay. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and this is the end. Bye.